Ugh, I've been walking for hours now. Ugh, he's great at the mountains. Oh god, I almost stepped on a cactus. Ah, there's some more cactuses. No, no. Ah, ah, why are there so much cactuses? Ah, ah, there's another one. I think I just stepped on one. I have to go down here. Ooh. Ooh. What? Ow! Ow, my back! Ow! 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 Oh! Ow! Uh. Oh. Oh, the mountains. Huh? What's this? Oh, I've been looking for this. Oh, this is what I need. I found it. I found it. Ah, I found it. Yes. Oh yes, I need this for part 2. Yay. Guys, it's right here. Okay, just need to find a way to tape this. The problem is, it's this. Yeah, I need to straighten it out. I think we can stick with this. Oops. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be talking about my TikTok. TikTok is better than YouTube, okay? TikTok is the best thing ever. Just kidding, it's the worst thing ever. So I made some TikToks, not for this video, but for fun. Okay, here's one of my TikToks.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
It's so great, I know, right? And this is another. I can't keep this up. There's another TikTok!
Hi, I'm Pablo. My name's Tyrone. I'm Uniqua. I'm Tasha. And my name's Austin. And we're your baby.
Can we just end this video already? How do I end this? How do I end this? Oh, right there. Okay, bye. Bye. I'm gonna end this video now. Bye. They did surgery on the grape!